If you're aiming to trim down and blast away that stubborn fat quickly, this video is tailored just for you. Let's dive into the top 5 fat-burning exercises that will help you achieve your fitness goals. Number 1. Running. Running is a versatile and accessible form of exercise that offers numerous health benefits, including fat loss. Apart from burning calories during the activity itself, running also triggers a phenomenon known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This means your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate even after you've finished your run, aiding in fat loss over time. Additionally, incorporating interval training, alternating between periods of high intensity and recovery, can further enhance calorie burn and fat oxidation. Number 2. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a simple yet effective cardiovascular exercise that can be performed almost anywhere. In addition to burning calories, jumping jacks also help improve coordination, agility, and overall cardiovascular health. To maximize fat-burning potential, consider incorporating variations such as squat jacks or plank jacks, which engage additional muscle groups and increase the intensity of the exercise. Number 3. Squats. Squats are renowned for their ability to strengthen and tone the lower body, but they also play a significant role in fat loss. By targeting large muscle groups such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, squats increase overall muscle mass, leading to a higher resting metabolic rate. This means your body burns more calories at rest, contributing to fat loss over time. To add variety to your squat routine, try incorporating different variations such as sumo squats, goblet squats, or jump squats. Number 4. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a highly effective calorie-burning exercise that offers numerous benefits for fat loss and overall fitness. In addition to burning calories, jumping rope also improves cardiovascular health, coordination, and agility. To increase the intensity of your workout, try incorporating interval training, alternating between periods of high-intensity jumping and active recovery. Additionally, using a weighted jump rope or performing double unders can further challenge your muscles and enhance calorie burn. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength training with cardiovascular conditioning, making them highly effective for burning calories and fat. In addition to targeting major muscle groups such as the chest, shoulders, arms, and legs, burpees also elevate your heart rate, leading to increased calorie expenditure. To maximize the fat-burning potential of burpees, focus on performing each repetition with proper form and intensity. You can also incorporate variations such as burpee tuck jumps or burpee push-ups to add variety to your workout. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your fitness routine can help you burn belly fat and achieve your weight loss goals. However, it's essential to remember that consistency and dedication are key to seeing results. Additionally, combining regular exercise with a balanced diet and adequate rest is crucial for overall health and well-being. So lace up your shoes, grab a jump rope, and get ready to torch those calories and sculpt a stronger, leaner body. That's a wrap for today. If you want to know how hanging 2 minutes every day will change your life forever, then click here.